What are we doing today?
That's what I'm asking. Oh, we're going to work some more on the plumbing. Look at
Okay.
the sink and drain lines and all that.
Sounds like a
Water
good plan.
lines. And
We'll go with it, huh?
as best we can. Just.
Okay, so you cut that shorter, the drain pipe?
Yes, it is. Be up here, you know, actually go out with the thing. Going. That'll give a slope down there.
Cool.
So they're pretty close to what it should be.
Cool.
Get me a little running off this one here.
I'll get all this stuff moved out of your way.
It ain't bothering me. Huh?
I was just trying to straighten up in here.
Yeah, it's a hard job to do. Helping him.
Good idea. Better than having your fingers in there, huh?
Yeah. Except I cut it at an angle.
Oh.
But I'll tidy it up.
We gotta get your cord back together so you can use your power tools.
Yep. We'll get to it shortly. Wrong way.
So now those little pieces of pipe that you cut, like right here,
Yeah.
will they not leak?
No, the water goes inside in there. They're just spacers.
Oh, yeah. Okay. The pipe's on the actual drain, isn't it?
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's just a spacer so I can get it tight. Almost forgot to put the seal on it, huh?
It don't look like there's nothing to screw that up to.
Where?
Right here.
What do you mean?
It looks like there's not hardly any thread.
Oh, the threads go all the way up to here.
Yeah, but that white thing.
Oh, it ain't push that thread on it. It's the spacer. You're part of it.
That white thing?
This white thing?
This white thing.
No, that just...
It's got a screw on, don't it?
Yeah, it screws onto this.
Okay. And it don't screw onto that.
No. It's held on by compression. See?
What you looking for?
Something else. Well, I'm gonna find me an adapter down here to run that to there, but we'll get that later.
Get it later.
Okay.
So you hooking up the water line now?
Yep. At least I'm gonna attempt to anyway.
I probably need to put those things inside, don't I?
What thing?
The
Oh yeah.
and the
And that.
and that. If I put them in the sink, surely we won't lose them.
Okay.
Did you need this big red seal?
Yeah.
Outside or inside?
Out here.
So your fittings are too big.
Yeah, this is for like regular faucet fitting. So we need smaller ones. Okay.
So that's not a regular faucet.
No.
Well, put it back all in the bag, and
Okay.
we got a grocery pickup.
Yeah.
We'll just take it back.
I'll find out for sure what size it is. I think it's 3/8.
That little one there looks like it'd fit it.
This
Yeah.
This here goes in here and crimps down.
Well, I know. I just meant the size of it.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, that kind of isn't cool. Oh well, one of them things.
Oh, you got that at Royal King.
Yeah. I know. See, I thought this was gonna be the regular one. Oh, can't have everything. Oh. That would be a good thing.
Okay, so what are we moving on to since we can't?
Well, what doing what to who?
What are we moving on to since we
Oh,
can't
we're gonna
do
finish
plumbing?
framing around the access panel.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, so you've changed the plan?
Yeah, we're gonna frame this in here and get this done.
Nice.
That'd be good. This time for sure, maybe. You did it, baby.
Oh, you cut your top of it, huh?
I just trimmed it a bit.
So instead of making our camper taller, we made it shorter.
Oh, we just raised the door just a fuzz. Remember, this here was sitting straight on the floor.
Oh, there's the rain. Rain, rain, go away. We've had to pack up because it started raining, but at least I got it cleaned out some. This is all stuff we just set in here. Gary's going to go ahead and work on his cord since it's just a sprinkle, and hopefully it'll quit in a minute and we can get a little bit more done. Clouds are kind of patchy. It feels like it's already slowing down. Now if I go in the house, you're not going to make a mess in there, right?
I'm not going into the house.
If I go in the house, you're not going to make a mess in the camper that I just cleaned up, right?
Nope, not gonna make a mess.
Can I get that on camera again?
Yes.
Look at me.
I will not make a mess, maybe.
sun came back out. So Gary's gonna tack this up and go paint our porch. I don't think it rained enough to even bother the deck.
Nope.
Which the lattice, if you're painting it, probably didn't even get any. And the door will close with that?
Uh-huh. Well, it's supposed to anyway. Let's find out. Tightened up.
Ta-da!
Yay!
Then we'll have to put
Tomorrow
our
we'll get this.
eyebrow on it.
Mm-hmm. It's called a unibrow.
Unibrow.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, tell the viewers bye, and we will see them tomorrow.
See ya.